God is saying to you today, I am sending more great things into your life. I am hearing your prayers at this time. I know your heart and I know you want the best things. I am also opening better and greater ways. I am also opening better and greater ways of success. You have endured much in your life, and people will have walked away from you, those who are harmful. My child, I know that you are going through a difficult period because of the negativity going on around the world. I don't want you to be fearful. I need you to be strong and courageous. You are strong. You are alive because I have great plans for your life. You are made for a purpose. You are valuable. You are incredible. I love you. Dear child, no matter how good or bad you think your life is, wake up each day and thank God. There are so many others who have it worse. Let's be grateful and thank God for the gift of life. Amen.